boiling already, guys. Other ingredients that I still need to add, this is the celery leaves, okay, the green pepper leaves, okay, and then the chicken broth cubes, okay. So I already here a piece of chicken broth cubes. I'll be adding it now, right now, okay. Yan. And then I will be putting this, okay. You can pour it slowly, okay. And then this one, the leaves of the pepper, okay, the leaves of the pepper. It's very delicious. Yeah. Okay, so look. So I'm cooking tinolang manok, guys. Okay, this is a chicken soup, guys, with chayote, ginger, with I added bell pepper leaves, young bell pepper leaves, okay. This is garlic, onion, okay. So as you can see, very yummy. And I will right now check the taste and check if the chayote is already done. Look, guys, this is chicken soup. Okay, very healthy. This is perfect for this weather. It's very sometimes cold here, that we used to get cough and okay. Yummy. Perfect, guys. So let's check the chayote. Chayote is already done, okay. So I will check the chayote if already done, guys. Chayote is already tender, guys, so I have to call this, turn off the flame, okay. So very delicious, guys. This is tinolang manok. Yummy.